This is a Peerless Products G Series Inswing casement with a concealed 90-degree hinge. As you can tell, there's nothing exposed to the interior. The hinge is all inside the sash and frame. On the concealed 90-degree hinge, there is one adjustment at the head of the window and one at the sill. To adjust the window, you will loosen up the number 10 screw in this position so that the sash can slide back and forth. By turning the set screw either clockwise or counterclockwise, the sash will move in or out accordingly, and reveal can be adjusted by this means. Once the set screw has been adjusted, the sash has been adjusted, retighten the number 10 screw at the head and sill of the sash.